what's going on, traders? Once again, it's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, all up in your YouTube on this Wednesday evening. This will be my hot pick of the day for tomorrow, which will be December 12th, 2019. But before I get into that, don't forget to smash those buttons for me. That's right, be sure to like the videos, comment, and let me know why. Also, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification tab. Anytime I put up some new content, some new videos, you'll be right there rocking and rolling with me. It's all G-O-O-D good. All right, here we go. Time to get into it. My hot pick of the day. Today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker LULU. That is Lululemon.
You remember when I got you the job here? Yeah, and you got all excited because you thought Lululemon was a candy store.
The athletic apparel company reported its earnings after hours today and had an EPS of 96 cents on revenue of 916.1 million. Total comparable sales increased 16%, with same-store sales up 10%, and direct-to-customer revenue, which includes online sales, increased 29%. But the outlook sees a quarter four EPS of $2.10 to $2.13, in line with the consensus view of $2.12 on revenue of 1.315 billion through 1.33 billion, below the consensus for 1.38 billion, with total comparable sales up in the low double digits. So that means it's kind of a split decision. It beats the earnings, but the outlook for quarter four is a little bit underperforming. But for the full fiscal year, it managed to raise its EPS view to 4.75 to 4.78, largely above the consensus for 4.75, up from a prior view of 4.63 to 4.70. So outlook for the entire fiscal year, even though the fourth quarter outlook was a little bit lower. So kind of a split earnings, and usually when that happens, the stock does take a hit. And being that Lulu was ripping this entire year, it did take a little dip in the price after hours. But as always, we got to go to the charts and see exactly what's going on with my hot pick of the day, the ticker LULU. That's Lululemon. All right, as you can see, Lululemon has been on a rip. I think they said it's about up 90% for the year. You can see back here in January, it was trading at about $120, and it's just been stair-stepping its way up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, all the way up to this 235.50 high, which it did hit actually today. But in the after hours, with that split decision on the earnings, it did drop down to a low of 215 and is now consolidating right around this 2275 level. This is the 20 EMA on the daily, right about here at this 222 level. So let's look at the bigger picture first. As you know, I'm a big Fibonacci retracement guy. So what I did is I took this last leg down here from 164.79 all the way to this 110.71, and you can see the projected levels here. 187.18 was a level that it held, 198.21, and then also this 225.25 is one that it just started to raise up above until it got that bad news. So it definitely needed a pullback, and this may just be a pullback for Lululemon, but we just got to wait and see. So under this 225, this thing could drop all the way this 198 level. We see some support at about this 207.42, say 207.50 level on the daily. Some consolidation right here, but no real volume anywhere else, because this is all-time highs we're talking about. So lots of room to run either way. It could pop back up very easily or drop back down. Let's look at a closer look on the intraday fibs to see what's going on. All right, let's drop this quick fib. Let's take the Fibonacci retracement from this big 5-minute candle all the way down to this 215. The top is 232.70. As you can see, this 223.85 is the 50% retracement, which it is sitting right in between that and this solid white line, which is the 20 EMA on the daily chart. So we definitely want to watch this zone right here. It's just kind of chopping, consolidating right in this zone. If it breaks this 20 EMA on the daily at that 223.37, the 20 EMA, if it breaks that, the bears may come in, and everyone who is well in the money might start taking their profits at this level. So you could see it come down to this 29.18 level, and maybe even as low as this 215. Then from there, we got the 50 SMA right here, the daily 50 SMA at 209.84. So we just have to see how low it goes. Lulu has the ATR of $4.35, so that could double, triple, even quadruple, like we say on the earnings. Anything goes. So, and it has been well extended on the daily. You see, definitely needed a pullback, and this might be it. But how low it can go, we just gotta trade those levels I mentioned here and just take it one step at a time. Also, Lulu is a big cap stock, so you might want to watch the spread on it, also your size and your risk level. Always be careful with these. And you might say this is a high ticker stock, which it is at $233 a share. That's big. But if you want to trade these big tickers, what you can do if you have a small account is learn how to trade options, which gives you a lot of leverage to do that. Or you can trade with one of my brokers that gives you enough leverage to trade these stocks for a fraction of the cost and a very low risk. I'll leave that link in the description below, so you can definitely check that out also. But take note of these levels, and we'll be looking at this tomorrow morning to see where it goes in the pre-market for my hot pick of the day. That's the ticker LULU. That's Lululemon. All right, there you go. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker LULU. That is Lululemon. Now check it out. It takes a lot to get these videos together and put them together for you every single day, but I do it because, like I said, I enjoy the journey, and I want more and more people to take the journey with me as we learn and earn together. Most definitely. All I ask for you guys in return, just 3 clicks of your mouse. Real simple and easy. Just like the video. Also, you can comment, subscribe to the channel, and also hit that bell notification. Anytime I put up some new content, some new videos, or go live, you'll be the first one there rocking and rolling with me, getting those calls, getting those hot picks, getting that pre-market playlist, all the good things I got on my channel for you guys. Absolutely FREE. That's free. All right, time for me to bounce on up out of here. I gotta get some rest, people, for the market open tomorrow. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, signing on out, reminding you, plan your trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time, aloha.